Here I've got Nokia 7 Plus, and let me show you how to activate night mode on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all applications, then find and select the settings, scroll down a bit and go to display. From the following options select night light, and here you can simply activate it by tapping on turn on now, and then you can obviously personalize the intensity, so you can pick some cooler or warmer colors. Then if you would like to schedule it, let me turn it off, click on schedule, and now you can either custom time or you can pick the automatic rule, which is from sunset to sunrise, this one, but let me show you how to set it up to your own preferences. So let's just pick the start time, the start hour. It can be, for example, 12, and then the end can be at 5. So from now on, between 12 and 5 o'clock, nightlight will be automatically activated. And obviously you can also turn it on and off right now. And that would be all. This is how you can use nightlight on your device. As you can see, the display is definitely way warmer, so your eyes will feel definitely more comfy. So that is all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.